Hi, my name is Connor, and I am a member of the Chandler Sunset Library Teen Advisory Group. Today, I will be showing you how to make chocolate brownies. To start, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we will mix half a cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of sugar until well blended. Next, add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir just until blended. Next, mix in a separate bowl 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half a cup of flour. Now stir the dry ingredients into the oil and sugar mix. Now grease a 9x9 square baking pan. Now pour the mixture into the pan. Now we bake for 20 minutes.